Hi friends, we are going to show you custom function which are extract from this cell value to number only, text only and a special character only. I made this custom function number only to show extract number only, text only to only extract text character. And if you going to a special character want to extract from this cell value only special character and drag this to down, give all the number, character and a special character. We are going to show you how to create this special type of custom function. So let's begin. I close this worksheet and start new worksheet and going to VBE editor and insert, right click and insert module. Let's give it name function. Name function already exists, so going to give it custom function. Okay, let's create custom function. Procedure function. So function, give it first function we going to create number only, which extract the number value like 9837. So give it name number only, only. Only give it, it's require one argument which is going to reference here. So text value, give it name, returning as a number, so give return as a double data type. Here we are going to use two variable, one for looping and one for keep in memory of one by one character. So create two variable, one I as a string, not I as a long, I create a large value, and number n as a, give it double data type. So create for loop, I equal to 1 to how many goes to loop, length of this character, this string. How to create length of this string using len function. Text value 1 to len of this function and make next I. Also, if you unnecessary space, so how to remove unnecessary space in beginning and end of the this string? So use trim function. I am using trim function to read the space. So text value equal to trim this argument of referencing of cells, which is text value. Now I've checked one by one which is a number, which is a string and which is a special character. So we are going to check one by one by rounding one character at a time. We are checking one character at a time and move to end of this character. So how to check? Using if, using mid function we are checking, which is VBA method of mid function. Going to put here a string which is text value. Start from, we are going to start first round of going to I take 1, so here take 1, next second character, next third character, like this. How many character check at a time? 1 character. What to check? Like number 0 to 9, which is going to be in double quoted. Then keep it in memory of n. Concatenate with n and using VBA dot mid text value, 1 character at a time. 1. What wrong? Oh, going to here give it a space, and also here, and that's fine. I have also here for looking great, and if logic. Now return this n value to function number only equal to, which is collected by n value. So this is my complete function to extract the number only, split the number only. Now check this function if any error or not. So number only function appear here. You see, we are create custom function here which is going to as a Excel formula. So give it, and here great, look great, output is great. So you can see here 9837, no any character, 198789. Drag this one down, 3899 2883. Yes, drag it to down, looking great. Now we are going to create tax function. Here you can see not available tax only. So now we are going to create tax function. Let's view this a single view procedure, function procedure, and here give it name function text value. Give it one argument value, text value. What is written? It is written as a string. So same, I create 2 variable, one for loop as a long, one for checking the loop which is text, so I give it t as a string here. Now read this sales value. How to read? Using trim function. So text value equal to trim, which is a VBA method of using for loop. I equal to 1 2, how many goes to loop? Length of this, length of this, length of this. How to create length of this string? Using length function. Text, what goes wrong? Text value. Check this character one by one. How to check? Using if logic. If mid, no, I am using VBA. It is same. Text value 1 I, first round of I How many character check? One character at a time, which like as a text, a small z also capital, so using capital. Double quote here, then a children is crying outside my door. Please ignore it. Here we concatenate t with which satisfies this logic using n symbol, mid text value I which satisfied the length goes to this round of if function. Okay, and if next I'm not here mention next I and return the text value equal to which collect in t. Now check, appear text only formula here, you can see, and reference this cells only character function is extracted. Now check, a k h k j k j, yes, k j d, good, yes, looking great. Now we are going to extract only a special character. How can you extract a special character? Today is Deepavali day. After Deepavali, today is Govardhan Puja, so making children outside the noise and celebrating Govardhan Puja. So we are going to create a special character. Please copy this function to create quickly. Two times. Yes, this one. Make it name special character only. Same name as a string, returning as a string. Special, give it name s as a string. Trim this value, goes to same length. Check same value, also check 0 to 9. Not using here, not a to z in cells which return to this, not capital A to Z, not 0 to 9 digit. Using s variable, s same only here use this and using s same. We create same function. Now you can see a special character only. Yes, great. Drag this down. We create number only, text only, a special character only function. This code is available in description box also. Please like this video. In next video we are going to create this type of also function which are highly used in any organization. Thank you friends. Please like this video, also subscribe if you are new to this video. Thank you.